Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, I'm just here to show you guys all my Knipex German plier collection. Yeah. And I got a couple new additions to show you guys. But this is what I previously had. And these, I believe, are some rebrands. I found these on Amazon, and I'm pretty certain they're rebrands. And they are some pistol grip, and they're very interesting because they got this cylinder, and they're very heavy duty, some quality pieces, except for I just totally unscrewed it all the way. There we go, fixed it. But yeah, these are great. And comes in, they have two different sizes available that I know of. So there's those. And first, it isn't a German plier. It's actually made by Channel Lock, and these are pretty sweet. This would be your duckbill needle nose pliers. It's part number 738. Made in the USA. Yeah, they're heavy duty. Definitely some heavy duty pliers. And they're going to come in handy because they have some good grip. This would be called like another duckbill, I guess. But they're the flat tips. So, yeah. There's that. We'll put that right up in here. And then, first one is my Knipex part number 2611200, made in Germany. And that's your needle nose pliers with cutters. And these are, technically, would be your 8-inch considered. And Imperial. And yeah, these are on sale right now, I believe, for $19.21 with a 5% discount, which makes it $18.25. So, yes. And these are some awesome pliers. What I like about the Knipex pliers, the needle nose specifically, is you get all this beef with just enough hand grip. You don't have a bunch of excess hand grip like you do with a lot of pliers like these. Or let me grab another pair of needle nose. Like, you always have all this bulk in here, and that I don't like. And so let me move on to last but not least, and it's going to kind of say some things about these 4 pliers here. They are made by Knipex, but they are labeled Orbis. I'm dyslexic right now, so I can see it just fine this way, but yeah, it's Orbis, and they are made in Germany, and they're definitely Knipex. It's a Knipex subsidiary company, which is basically Knipex, and they do make a version of the Cobras. And you can find them very affordable on Amazon. It's very weird how their prices fluctuate on Orbis pliers. Like this pair here, they are a mirrored chrome plier, and they are VDE, I believe up to 1,000 volts, and they're very nice. This is the 8-inch version. It's a part number 41180. And what I like about them is that grip. That grip is really nice. It's got a really nice grip, and it's kind of like the European linesman plier in a way, because you could get that that in there, and you don't see slip joints made in Europe. Knipex doesn't make a slip joint pair of these like your Wildies, you know. So it's definitely an interesting set of pliers, and I think that's it. Oh yeah, just a little example. They're kind of like the Van pliers. This would be your 7-inch. I think that's what they call these, 6.5, 7. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys. This is my Knipex Orbis plier collection. I love them. They're great. It's awesome. That's just a Baco. It's a European plier brand. Made by Snap-on. Owned by Snap-on, whatever. Same difference. But yeah, let me get a like, a comment, a sub. Deuces.